Welcome back to Decor Puzzle Channel. Next generation house front wall design concepts for 2026 are redefining the way homes communicate identity, strength, and modern lifestyle values. The front wall is no longer treated as a simple boundary but as a powerful design statement that reflects taste, innovation, and architectural confidence. These designs focus on clean geometry, balanced proportions, and a strong visual rhythm that immediately captures attention while maintaining harmony with the surrounding environment. In 2026, modern house front walls embrace a refined blend of minimalism and bold expression. Natural-inspired textures, smart material combinations, and layered surfaces create depth without overwhelming the structure. These concepts prioritize visual calm while still delivering impact through thoughtful contrast and precision. The result is a front wall that feels contemporary, timeless, and deeply connected to modern living aspirations. A key shift in next-generation designs is the integration of architectural elements directly into the wall structure. Vertical fins, recessed panels, and floating sections give the elevation a sculptural quality. These ideas move away from flat, monotone surfaces and instead introduce dimension that changes appearance throughout the day as light and shadow interact with the form. This dynamic quality adds life and sophistication to the exterior. Sustainability and durability also guide front wall concepts for 2026. Designers focus on materials that age beautifully and require minimal maintenance while still offering a premium look. The emphasis is on long-lasting finishes that support modern lifestyles without compromising elegance. This approach ensures that the house front remains impressive for years while adapting seamlessly to changing trends. Color philosophy in next-generation wall designs favors grounded neutral tones enhanced by subtle accents rather than overpowering shades. Soft earthy palettes combined with modern dark contrasts create a welcoming yet commanding presence. These color choices help the house blend into its surroundings while still standing out through intelligent design rather than excess decoration. Technology-inspired thinking also influences front wall concepts. Smart lighting integration, concealed fixtures, and clean wiring solutions are now planned as part of the wall design itself. This creates a seamless appearance where functionality enhances beauty rather than disrupting it. The front wall becomes an intelligent feature that elevates both safety and aesthetic appeal. Ultimately, next-generation house front wall design for 2026 is about balance between boldness and simplicity, innovation and tradition, privacy and openness. These concepts transform the front wall into an architectural signature that speaks quietly yet confidently, setting the tone for the entire home and leaving a lasting impression on anyone who sees it. Modern outdoor wall tile trends defining luxury home exteriors are shaping the way contemporary homes present themselves to the world. These trends focus on combining elegance, durability, and innovation to create outdoor walls that are both visually stunning and highly functional. Luxury exteriors now rely on tiles not just as a protective surface but as a design element that sets the tone for the entire property. The selection of texture, color, and material is carefully curated to reflect modern taste while enhancing the architectural identity of the home. In 2026, outdoor wall tiles embrace a wide range of finishes from natural stone-inspired textures to sleek high-gloss ceramic and porcelain options. These materials are chosen not only for their aesthetic appeal but also for their resistance to weather, UV exposure, and environmental wear. Modern designs often incorporate large-format tiles which reduce grout lines and create a seamless contemporary look that instantly elevates the exterior. A focus on minimalism and clean geometric patterns allows the walls to feel expansive and sophisticated while remaining timeless in style. Color trends in modern outdoor tiles favor neutral tones, earthy shades, and subtle contrasts that highlight the form and details of the house. Front walls often combine light beiges, warm grays, deep charcoals, and soft whites, which provide a versatile backdrop for landscaping. Lighting and furniture accents of darker or bolder hues are strategically placed to draw attention to architectural features such as entryways, corners, and recessed panels. This approach creates a sense of balance and harmony without overpowering the overall design. Texture and pattern innovation plays a key role in defining luxury wall exteriors. Advanced manufacturing techniques allow for tiles that mimic natural stone, wood, and even metal finishes with incredible realism. These textures add depth and dimension to the facade, creating a tactile visual experience that changes with sunlight and shadows. Designers also experiment with three-dimensional and layered tile layouts which introduce rhythm and movement into the exterior, making the home feel dynamic and alive from every angle. Sustainability and low maintenance are increasingly important considerations in tile selection for luxury exteriors. High-quality porcelain and engineered stone tiles provide long-lasting beauty while minimizing upkeep. They resist moisture fading and staining, ensuring that the exterior maintains its premium look for years without compromising on style or performance. This combination of practicality and elegance is at the heart of modern outdoor wall tile trends. Lighting integration with outdoor tiles is another defining feature of luxury exteriors. LED strips, recessed lighting, and spotlights are often incorporated directly into tiled surfaces. This not only highlights textures and patterns but also adds a sense of drama and sophistication to the facade. Modern designs use lighting strategically to create visual focal points, enhance safety, and extend the beauty of the exterior into the night. Ultimately, modern outdoor wall tile trends for luxury homes in 2026 are about harmony between aesthetics, functionality, and innovation. The right combination of material, color, pattern, and lighting transforms ordinary walls into signature features of a home. These trends redefine what it means to have a luxury exterior where every detail is intentional and every surface contributes to a bold yet elegant architectural statement. Front elevation color combinations that create a bold first impression are transforming the way modern homes communicate personality, elegance, and style. The facade of a house is the first point of connection with visitors and passers-by, and in 2026 designers are prioritizing color schemes that leave a lasting impact while reflecting contemporary trends. These combinations are carefully curated to balance visual drama with sophistication, ensuring that the home stands out without feeling overwhelming or out of place. Modern front elevations embrace a mix of grounded neutrals and striking accent shades. Neutral tones such as warm grays, soft beiges, crisp whites, and muted browns provide a versatile canvas that highlights architectural lines and material textures. These calming bases allow bolder hues to pop strategically, creating focal points around entryways. Vertical fins or textured panels. Designers often pair deep charcoals with creamy whites, or warm terracotta with soft taupe to produce contrast that is both modern and inviting. The result is a facade that feels alive yet harmonious. Accent colors are no longer limited to small details. They are now integral to the design language of the home. Dark blues, rich greens, burnt oranges, and even muted metallic tones are thoughtfully applied to emphasize structural elements and create visual rhythm. These accents interact with natural light throughout the day, changing their intensity and adding dynamic appeal to the facade. The interplay of primary and accent shades brings depth and personality to the house front. Texture and material interplay further enhance color combinations. Modern facades often combine painted surfaces with natural stone, wood panels, or textured tiles, allowing colors to interact with surface finishes. These layered effects create subtle shadows and reflections that enhance the overall perception of depth and richness. A smooth painted wall next to a textured stone section creates contrast that reinforces the boldness of the design without excessive ornamentation. Lighting strategy is a crucial companion to color choices in 2026. Front elevations, LED lighting highlighting vertical elements, recessed fixtures along textured panels, and ambient uplighting all serve to enhance color perception at night. This ensures that bold color combinations remain striking even after sunset and that the house continues to convey elegance and modernity under varying lighting conditions. Contemporary color philosophies focus on balance and coherence rather than randomness. Designers aim to create a visual journey where each element complements the next. Front doors, trims, window frames, and wall panels are harmonized to maintain a cohesive statement. The use of complementary or analogous color schemes ensures that the bold impression is refined and intentional rather than chaotic. Ultimately, front elevation color combinations in 2026 are about confidence and identity. They allow homeowners to express modern sophistication and aesthetic awareness through their exterior design. Each carefully selected shade and contrast works together to create a first impression that is unforgettable, striking, and timeless, inviting anyone who approaches the home to appreciate the artistry of its facade. Stylish front door designs blending security, elegance, and modern aesthetics are becoming the defining feature of contemporary home exteriors in 2026. The front door is no longer just an entry point but a statement of style, personality, and architectural intention. Designers now approach it as a central element that balances functionality with visual appeal. Every detail from material selection to hardware integration and finishing touches is carefully considered to create a door that is both secure and captivating. Modern front doors embrace a range of materials that communicate strength and luxury. Wood finishes with rich grains convey warmth and sophistication, while steel and aluminum options provide durability, and a sleek modern edge glass inserts are strategically used to allow natural light without compromising privacy or security. These materials are often combined to produce a layered aesthetic where texture and tone interact to create depth and visual interest, enhancing the overall front elevation of the house. Security features are seamlessly integrated into stylish designs. In 2026, homes prioritize advanced locking systems, reinforced frames, and hidden hinges that protect without disrupting the aesthetic flow. A door can appear minimalist and elegant while housing cutting-edge security technology, ensuring peace of mind alongside contemporary style. The fusion of function and form is essential in creating a modern entryway that feels inviting yet protected. Color and finish choices play a pivotal role in front door appeal. Designers are exploring bold tones like deep charcoals, navy blues, or matte blacks alongside natural wood and metallic finishes to establish a strong visual identity. The color is often chosen to complement the facade palette while creating a focal point that naturally draws the eye to the entrance. This approach reinforces both elegance and modernity while ensuring the door remains timeless. Innovative design elements such as geometric panels, recessed lines, asymmetrical layouts, and minimalist hardware contribute to a sleek modern aesthetic. Modern doors often feature hidden handles or flush finishes that blend seamlessly with the wall, creating a monolithic effect that elevates the architectural character of the home. These subtle yet sophisticated details make the front door a centerpiece without overpowering the overall design. Lighting integration enhances stylish front door designs. In 2026, LED strips, recessed lighting, or spotlighting around the door frame highlights textures, patterns, and colors while improving safety and accessibility. This thoughtful combination of illumination and design ensures that the entry remains striking and functional at all times of day or night, adding a cinematic quality to the home exterior. Ultimately, stylish front door designs for modern homes in 2026 embody the perfect balance of security, elegance, and aesthetic innovation. Each door becomes an intentional architectural feature that welcomes guests, confidently conveys luxury and sophistication, and elevates the overall perception of the house. A well-designed front door transforms the entrance into a statement that is both visually compelling and functionally exceptional. Texture, pattern, and material innovations for contemporary front walls are transforming the way modern homes present themselves. In 2026, these innovations are no longer limited to functionality but have become central to creating a visual language that expresses style, sophistication, and individuality. Homeowners and designers alike are exploring textures, patterns, and materials that provide depth, contrast, and tactile richness, elevating the front wall from a mere boundary to a striking architectural feature. Modern designs often combine multiple materials in a single elevation, creating layered effects that capture attention and add dimensionality. Stone cladding, natural wood panels, metal accents, and textured plaster are strategically mixed to create rhythm and balance. Large format tiles and textured surfaces reduce monotony while adding a sense of grandeur and elegance. Innovative composite materials now allow for lightweight yet durable panels that mimic natural stone or wood, providing luxury aesthetics without compromising structural performance. Patterns are increasingly used as a design element to guide the eye and create movement across the facade. Geometric arrangements, linear grooves, asymmetrical layouts, and three-dimensional reliefs are integrated into the wall surfaces to provide subtle visual interest without overwhelming the overall composition. These patterns interact with natural light, producing changing shadows and highlights throughout the day, adding a dynamic quality that makes each elevation unique and lively. Color integration with textures and patterns further enhances the appeal of contemporary front walls. Designers are now pairing earthy neutrals with darker accent shades to emphasize depth and material contrasts. Soft grays, warm beiges, muted browns, and off-whites serve as primary tones, while deep charcoals and rich earthy hues highlight structural features. This color strategy ensures that the textured and patterned surfaces remain cohesive and visually striking. Technological innovations also play a role in material selection and application. Modern fabrication techniques allow for precision-cut panels, lightweight stone veneers, and eco-friendly composites that maintain durability and aesthetic quality over time. These advancements enable creative freedom while ensuring longevity, low maintenance, and resistance to weathering, allowing the facade to retain its premium look for years without compromise. Lighting complements texture and material innovations by accentuating surface details and emphasizing patterns. Integrated LED strips, recessed uplighting, and spotlights are used to highlight key features, creating dramatic focal points that transform the appearance of the wall at night. Lighting design enhances the interplay of shadows and textures, ensuring the front wall remains captivating around the clock. Ultimately, texture, pattern, and material innovations for contemporary front walls in 2026 are about sophistication, experimentation, and intentional design. They allow homeowners to express modern elegance and architectural awareness while creating facades that are visually dynamic and memorable. Each choice of material, texture, and pattern contributes to a harmonious yet bold statement that defines the identity of the home and leaves a lasting impression. Lighting accents and architectural details enhancing exterior wall appeal are revolutionizing the way modern homes are perceived in 2026. These elements are no longer afterthoughts but integral parts of facade design that amplify style, elegance, and visual impact. Thoughtful lighting paired with precise architectural detailing transforms ordinary walls into dynamic canvases that interact with light, shadow, and texture, creating a sense of depth and sophistication that captivates anyone approaching the home. Modern exterior wall designs embrace layered lighting strategies that highlight form, texture, and material variations. LED strips, recessed uplights, wall washers, and spotlights are carefully positioned to accentuate vertical and horizontal planes, corners, and textured surfaces. This approach adds drama and dimension after sunset while also guiding the eye to key architectural features, enhancing both functionality and aesthetics. The interplay of natural daylight with strategically placed artificial lighting ensures that the facade looks compelling throughout the day and night. Architectural details such as recessed panels, textured cladding, vertical fins, and sculptural projections work hand in hand with lighting to elevate wall appeal. These features introduce rhythm, movement, and shadow play, creating a dynamic surface that appears alive rather than static. Contemporary designs focus on minimalism combined with bold statements, ensuring that every line, curve, and material transition contributes to a cohesive and sophisticated exterior composition. Material selection enhances both lighting and architectural detailing. Modern facades often combine natural stone, textured tiles engineered with composite panels, and metallic accents. Each material interacts differently with light, capturing highlights and shadows in unique ways. The synergy between materiality and illumination ensures that the exterior wall remains visually engaging and luxurious without relying on excessive ornamentation. Color and tone are carefully integrated to complement lighting accents and architectural details. Neutral palettes and earthy shades serve as a sophisticated backdrop, while darker or metallic highlights emphasize structural features. Subtle contrasts enhance depth perception and make textures more pronounced, allowing the home to stand out while maintaining a sense of harmony with the surroundings. This deliberate color strategy reinforces elegance and modernity in the overall design. Innovative technologies are also applied to enhance the effect of lighting and architectural detailing. Smart lighting systems, adaptive LEDs, and energy-efficient fixtures allow homeowners to control ambience intensity and color, enhancing both aesthetic appeal and functionality. Architectural details are designed with modularity and adaptability in mind, ensuring that lighting enhancements can evolve with changing design trends. Ultimately, lighting accents and architectural details for exterior walls in 2026 are about creating a multidimensional statement that communicates style, innovation, and sophistication. They transform flat surfaces into engaging compositions where material, texture, color, and light converge. Each wall becomes a carefully choreographed visual experience, leaving a lasting impression and redefining what it means to have a modern, luxurious home exterior. Timeless modern house front designs that balance trends and longevity are redefining the way contemporary homes make a statement in 2026. These designs focus on creating exteriors that are visually striking yet enduring, combining innovation with classic principles of proportion, harmony, and elegance. The goal is to craft a facade that remains stylish and relevant for years while adapting to evolving trends. Without losing its identity, these homes communicate sophistication, confidence, and architectural intelligence through every material, line, and detail. In 2026, designers are embracing a philosophy where simplicity meets subtle boldness. Clean geometric forms, minimalistic silhouettes, and balanced proportions dominate front elevations, creating a timeless appeal that is easy to maintain and hard to outdate. Every element is carefully considered to ensure that the home feels modern yet grounded in architectural fundamentals, allowing it to remain fresh even as new trends emerge. This approach prioritizes longevity without sacrificing visual interest or uniqueness. Material selection plays a crucial role in achieving this balance. Durable and high-quality materials such as natural stone, wood veneers, textured tiles, and engineered composites are chosen not only for their aesthetic appeal but also for their resilience against weathering, and where these materials age gracefully over time, maintaining their elegance while requiring minimal upkeep. This ensures that the front facade continues to convey luxury and refinement long after initial construction. Color schemes for timeless modern fronts focus on neutral earthy tones and subtle contrasts that enhance architectural features without appearing dated. Designers often combine soft whites, warm grays, beiges, and muted browns with occasional darker or metallic accents to highlight structural elements. The palette is versatile enough to accommodate landscaping, lighting, and seasonal decor while remaining visually coherent and sophisticated. Throughout the years, architectural details such as recessed panels, vertical fins, cantilevered sections, and sculptural lines add depth, rhythm, and movement to the facade. These details are carefully proportioned to avoid excess and ensure the front elevation maintains elegance regardless of changing design fashions. Thoughtful integration of windows, doors, and lighting further enhances the sense of balance and harmony, creating a front that is dynamic yet timeless. Lighting integration is subtle yet purposeful. Modern LED systems accentuate textures, materials, and architectural lines while providing functional illumination at night. Well-placed lighting ensures that the facade remains captivating and welcoming without relying on overly dramatic effects. This combination of natural and artificial light highlights the enduring beauty of materials and structural details while reinforcing a sense of permanence and quality. Ultimately, timeless modern house front designs in 2026 achieve the perfect balance between contemporary trends and lasting elegance. They are about creating an exterior that feels confident, sophisticated, and intentional, where every material detail, color choice, and structural element contributes to a harmonious whole. These designs ensure that the home makes a bold first impression while remaining enduringly stylish and relevant for decades, leaving a lasting mark on anyone who experiences its facade.